everyone, I'm Emma if you don't know, and today I'm going to be doing a casual Lagoona blue makeup look. Yes, you heard me right, Monster High, I'm back at it. The reason I'm doing this is because my hair looks like this, which looks kind of like Lagoona, so we're gonna go back to my roots, not hair-wise, and do another Monster High look. The opinion on the most recent hair video was that I shouldn't bleach my hair again because it's not good and it would damage my hair, and there's a lot of good advice on there. So we're going to be following that and not dyeing my hair until we're just waiting a bit to dye my hair and bleach it again. We're going to try home remedies that won't damage my hair. That'll be up Wednesday, and then the pink dyeing video will probably be up Saturday. But right now, I'm going to be doing a Lagoona blue casual look. You may have wanted a face paint look. We couldn't find any face paint. I'm not 6 anymore, and makeup, I'm much better at it now. I can do eyeliner and put things in my waterline now. So, I'm going to be doing that. Let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply Fenty Primer, Pro Filter Primer. I haven't used primer in a long time except for eyeshadow primer, so forgive me if I'm doing this wrong. I also got samples and everything because I don't want to buy a full thing of Fenty foundation and then my skin tone will change for spring and I never use it again. Now, I'm going to be applying my foundation in shade 120. And now I'm going to use powder, and I'm going to be using a translucent powder from Makeup Forever. And I used this whenever I did the James Charles Flashback Mary video, and it's translucent, so I didn't do anything for that video. So next, I'm going to be doing contour, and I think I'm going to do highlight later. But I might do some now? I don't know. But I'm going to be using a Smashbox hashtag Shape Matters palette for contour. Now I'm going to be using the Becca X Kacy Glow Face palette for blush. In the art of her nose is very pink, but her cheeks aren't. So I feel like I should add some blush to my nose as well. I'm gonna do a makeup look similar to the Picture Day doll because she has pink. Now I'm going to be using Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. What I'm going to be using for the outer part, I don't know what it's called, I can't think of it, like above the crease, I don't know. What I'm going to be using for that is the blush from the Becca X Kacy palette, and then I think what I'm going to be using for the lid is Euphoric from the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. Now I'm going to be putting in the lighter pink, and I think I'm going to be using a mixture of, let me see what this is named, Beach Nectar highlighter, and then Euphoric from the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. I'm holding them both up at the same time. I am not a makeup guru. I was back in the day, whenever I didn't know how to do makeup. For the purple, I'm going to be using a mixture of Mystic Rain and Fantasy, and probably a little bit of Artist Pass from the Too Faced palette, the Life's a Festival palette. Gonna be trying a mixture of these 3 purples. I'm just going to apply a mixture of sparkly colors from the Becca X Christie palette and the Too Faced palette. Because there's a lot of sparkly colors here in front of me. So I'm going to use a mixture of a lot of them. I think that that's what I'm trying to go for. I'm going to put just a dash of purple back in that spot. So now I'm going to add a little bit more sparkle to my brow bone, and that's what's on the Picture Day doll back there, and I like the way that looks. So I'm going to go in with that now. Alright, I'm going to go around and use that as highlight, because if I'm using that on my brow bone, I think using it everywhere else would blend in well too. This doesn't really look Lagoona blue by itself. I'm going to add more blue to it underneath. But right now it's just based off of the doll back there. I am going to put white in my waterline because all Monster High dolls have giant eyeballs. So this will make them appear larger. Alright, now I'm going to be adding the blue under my eye. I'm using Dusk Teal Dawn from the Too Faced palette. Time for lashes, which I actually suck at. And I'm going to use these. One of the perfectly natural lashes, because there's a lot of variations of them. There's these and then there's these. But I'm going to be using these because they look a lot more doll-like. Alright, now I'm going to try the other eye, and I really hope I don't mess it up. Alright, now I'm going to apply mascara to blend them, and also mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm using Brooklyn & Bailey's Lash Next Door, and they gave me like a box of this, and it was great. It was very nice of them. And I have like 4 other ones of these, so thanks Brooklyn & Bailey for the free product. Alright, I'd say that's it for the eye look, and now it's time to do my eyebrows. She usually has purple brows, but more recently I think she's had blue brows, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have them the same color as underneath my eye, which is Dusk Teal Dawn. I'm going to add some of this eyeliner, lip liner, eyeshadow, makeup pencil that we got way long ago for a mermaid video, because they're waterproof. Alright, so my mother brought up this iridescent Fenty highlighter, and I think it would be a shame not to use it. So it's back to highlighter time. This is the shade of this is Confetti. Alright, I'd say that's pretty good, and now I'm going to do the blue freckles. I am now going to be taking the tiniest brushes I could find and just putting them on there one by one. The freckles are done. Now all that's left is lipstick, and she is almost always wearing a pink or purple lipstick whether or not it matches her eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using this Hello Kitty X ColourPop matte lipstick lip paint in the shade, it doesn't say it anywhere on the bottle. And so I'm going to be using this. I'd say that looks fine, and I'm going to put Shine Shot from Maybelline on top of it. So, I don't have to go and get a wig, I just have to take my hair up a ponytail and do this to it, and then it looks like hers. And now it's time for the satisfying part, which is setting spray. And I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I'm going to consider this done. And I really like how the makeup turned out. I haven't done makeup in a while, but whenever I dye my hair pink, comment down below if I should do a Caddy Noir inspired look, or a Mouse Sadie's inspired look, or a C.A. Cupid kind of look. I really want to do more Monster High looks like this instead of just full-on face paint like I used to do. And you guys always complain, oh, I miss the old Emma. Oh, Emma's changed. I'm not 8 anymore. But if you want to see more looks like these, comment down below. And my hair will be pink next, and that might be the next video. But I think the next video is going to be home remedies to try and get the blue out of my hair. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these rectangles over here to watch more videos, and click the circle to subscribe. Hi, I'm Lagoona Blue. Wait a minute, how does it go? It goes, hi, I'm Lagoona Blue. And if you want to know how to do my look, just keep on watching. See ya!